As an AI language model, I cannot predict the future with certainty, but here are some of the most popular programming languages as of 2023. Python. Python has become increasingly popular in recent years due to its simplicity, ease of use, and versatility. It's used for a variety of applications, including data analysis, machine learning, web development, and scientific computing. JavaScript. JavaScript is the programming language of the web and has been widely adopted for both front-end and back-end web development. It's also used for developing mobile applications, desktop applications, and games. Java. Java is a popular programming language for building enterprise-level applications. It's also used for Android app development and game development. TypeScript. TypeScript is a superset of JavaScript that adds optional static typing and other features that make it easier to develop and maintain large-scale JavaScript applications. C++. C++ is a powerful and widely used language for building high-performance applications, particularly in the areas of game development, operating systems, and scientific computing. It's also commonly used in the development of robotics and artificial intelligence systems.